I don't like that you're sneezing too much, little lady. Is it that stressful? Oh man, I can't wait till we get more toys. Oh, potato. You're healing up. A little missy. That's very helpful. Thank you, Saga. I think the babies have figured it out. What are you doing, Aya? What are you doing? Oh, Maybell. Hi. How's it going? Yeah? Yeah. Olivia. What are you doing? Are you busy? Yeah? Okay. Alright, there you go. Yeah. Hi, Maybell. Oh, thank you. It's really nice of you. Appreciate it. My good God, she's just constantly sneezing. Who is that? Maybe it's just one in the whole bunch. Did I stress you guys out somehow? Is that too much vinegar in that room? You guys got along really well. Now you're one big group. Look at that. Messy creatures. Nutshells everywhere. Oh, Maybell, what are you doing? Yeah, what are you doing? Oh, thank you. It's very nice of you. Yeah, I happen to like you too. You're a good rat. Yeah. You're so cute. Yeah. Okay. Aya, what are you doing? You being a rat? Yeah. Girl. What are you doing, honey? You guys aren't sneezing. I bet that was too much vinegar in there. Hi, how's it going? Is it going alright? Are you shiny, gorgeous boys? Yeah? Are you a good old man? Yeah? You nibble on me? Be nice up there. Oh yeah, I bet I smell like girls. I like those. Oh, I know, old man. There you go. Yeah. I know, you poor old man touching you. Oh, Jesus, so awful. Oh, it's awful I touched you. What are you doing? Oh, gorgeous boy. Yeah, are you doing okay? What about you? Are you doing okay? Yeah. You're a beautiful boy. Yeah, you sure are. Come on up here. Oh man. It's hard to see back there. Yeah. Hi, Mr. Franklin Gutierrez. You poor guy. Yeah. You good boy. Oh. Is that the spot that smells good? Gross. That's gross. Yeah. What about you? Really? Yeah, what about you? Yeah. Oh, thank you. You're so nice, too. I don't know why they're so damn sneezy. Listen to them.
Yeah.
It's just this afternoon when they've decided to be super sneezy. God, I hope I didn't make it too strong there with the vinegar. That's not very nice to their nostrils if I did.
I did notice milk and tongue porphyrin, but I figured that was just
Stress, yeah.
introduced.
Exactly. Maybe they're just stressing each other out. I don't know.
Yeah.
Either that or I stress them all at once. It's hard to say. What are you doing, Maple? Yeah. Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. Oh, yeah.
Most totally like picking on the babies, because they're usually pushed around, I think.
Yeah.
And LSP too, just like me.
Aww.
But LSP kind of like ran up to her, like, get off that baby.
Weird. Milk, are you being a bitch? Yeah. Are you too busy? Oh, okay, thank you. Yeah. You're such a big, grumpy old lady.
Mm-hmm. Don't touch me. I'm doing stuff.
Oh, Aya. You are so ridiculously sweet. Yes. Look at you. So demanding. Oh, thank you. It's very nice of you. Is that the spot? Everyone seems to like that spot. It's really gross. Thanks, guys. Oh, Maybell. I saw that. Poke at you. I poke at you.
Don't touch me, I'm busy.
Oh, thank you, Olivia. That's very nice of you. It's bad right there. It's bad right there. Sit there.
Let's go into town back there.
Milk? Oh yeah, eating the vegetables. Yeah, it's almost gone. Vegetables. Maybe I'll put more up there. What are you doing, Aya? Yeah.
Oh, new ones.
Hooray! Thanks, Aya. Thanks. Yes, my hand? Nothing there. What a surprise. What are you doing, Milk? You still being a grumpy old bitch? Yeah? Oh, don't touch me. I'm so grumpy right now. Yes, Saga. Mm. 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 What are you doing, Kes? What are you doing? Aya's gonna push you out of her way. It's all about Aya. Is there anything left in there, guys? I don't see anything. Oh, I guess there's a little bit.
That's not how it looks.
Yeah, it's just mountain down. That's right.
It's snappy.
Yep, it's the rope is trying to get in there. Run, Mom. Push a little creature. Oh, let's look at that. That right there is an abscess of some sort. It's gross. Why'd you do that? Go and get yourself bit and then abscess. It's antibiotics. That's what you get.
You eating, Tex?
Oh, look at you, cute. Look at you, Tex, you're so cute. Look at you, Cass, you're so cute. Look at you, Aya, you're so cute too. Okay. What's going on, Milk? Is this interesting? Yeah? Now you're interested in me? You're a distressed old lady? Yeah? A year and a half of existing only with Maybell and Shishmish. Here is Milk with a ton of rats.
And Prissy.
Yeah, and Prissy. What are you doing? You're a Seleno. Seleno. That's what your name is. Seleno. Aya, you're so... Oh my goodness. What are you doing, Aya? Oh, what a lovely picture of your face. It's all blurry and... Oh, there we go. Guess you're not helping any. Okay. Maybell! Maybell, 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 Maybell. Hey, that's not helpful, guys. Come on. Come on. Fine, I'm shutting the lid. Never mind. You just do what you're gonna do, Ernie. That's fine. What's with this sterope? You're so cute! Get off of me! Why are you so sneezy? Makes me worry, guys. It's all the young ones, I think.
Really?
Yeah. Who's on me?
Cats.
Oh. Arrows.
How are you, Arrows?
Want to be a rat? Yeah? You need a dart somewhere? What about you? Yeah? Arrows. Hey, how's it going? You're a beautiful guy. Most gorgeous rat I've ever had in my possession. New spot. That's interesting then, huh? What are the scents on my hands telling you? Do you have food there? I hope it's food. I guess. This is Terope. Oh, you know what good you're at. Hi, Ernie. What are you doing? Oh, Terope. Okay, I'm done with this.